Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto MK. In this video, I am going to share the world first AI powered crypto trading strategies. If you want to know about the Bing X with AI features, then in the 2025 on the 20th May during the Bing X 7th anniversary, they are also going to revealing Bing X AI feature where you can also get new chapter, and this is new epic journey just a week later on the May 27th. This is also now started with Bing X AI Bingo. This is called as the world first AI powered crypto trading assistant designed to empower our trader. I am also going to share each and everything about it because on the 10th September we are going to taking next leap forward being X AI master to design the ultimate AI strategies. So how did this work? Because Bing X AI Master is the world first AI powered crypto trading strategies where we can analyze the crypto candles. Their strategies powered over 1000 plus with top 5 investor that is entire trading epic journey. I will also show you a complete powerful. This is Bing X where you can get multi AI model with fast, and this is also about the data that is also historically vast you can analyze with the 1000 plus strategies so on where your investment skills evolve, and by evolving intelligence strategy simplified evaluation execution insightful performance reviews. Bing X AI is here with the leading number of strategic investment. Bing X AI empowered both beginner and seasoned trader to navigate crypto with confidence. I am also going to share a complete review about it. How it works. Actually, you are also going to download their application, and then you will also check their social media links too. If you want to download the application, there is also for Android, iOS, you can easily download it. If you come to the interface, we're inspired by top investor 24/7 with AI, and now you can even check out a complete details about these things. So there you can also check many other details, AI optimized trading features. There you can also buy, sell crypto market, derivative, crypto trading and reward hub and much more. You can also get a complete information about it as back tested strategy, and you can get flexible investment option. You can even check out the crypto market data on the Bing X with the product that are available in the copy trading, or you can get spot and future trading. So let's get started with this project in 3 to 5 minutes. You can easily join with the complete full transparency record. You can include here downloading. Here is Google Play Store, App Store. You can even download it. Now I am also going to share with you. You can even get multiple language support on the platform. A leading crypto exchange BingX is here with all the transparent work. Now we are going to download from Google Play Store. Let's get started with that. You can also download from App Store, Google Play Store, Android and iOS beta as well as Android APK too. If you have already downloaded, then you can easily open into your mobile phone for further operation. Guys, you have already downloaded from Google Play Store their app. You can also update to the next latest version. So guys, here you can even check out about the rating 4.5 plus, and there is 5 million plus user already download this application. Yes, there are 5 million plus download have been completed for this app. Once you open the Bing X, like this interface will be shared, where we have to complete our registration. For that, you can use your email, either your phone number. You can even here you can put your referral code after the sign up successfully, or you can also choose your Google account on. As you are going to log in, then you can also fill the captcha, and next you will also click on the OK option. You will get code on your email. This is completely secure ecosystem. After this successfully come to the platform, you can also add your pass keys too. Now, if you come to the home interface, where you can even go for the option that is AI Master is here on the screen. We have to click on it. Here, first of all, AI Master Inspire, Pick and Grow. Here is the AI Master with there you can also get the win ratio. There is AI Master Satoshi Creator. There is also more crypto buffet like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, total 5 character. There are also best option for you if you want to inquire, you want to check how much copies are here. You can also get, there is conservative and moderate, so there is different positions. If you click on it, then you can also get here, you will also get a complete information about their strategies, what is the percentage you can get here. Even you are also going to choose what is the iteration towards success. These are the options for you, what strategies you are going to choose. Here is everything, just need to come join, and about that your strategies will be shown here. Next, you can also get here level 1. This is not just about like you are going to download the app in the AI Master. There is also next to one versus one show. So there you can also check if you want to register for mystery box. We have to click on it and register now. There we have to accept the terms and condition. Click on the OK, and now we are going to register for here, and registration is nearly completed. We can transfer 20 USDT or more in future account. Participate in this event. No doubt I am going to share. You can also recharge and then you will transfer your fund here to perpetual. Here I have 20, I can click on it and it will be done successfully. I can go back and now I am going to participate into it. To also participate in this contest, that is also one versus one challenge. There you can also get future fund, and then you will challenge the master, which will give you more engaging here. So options are available, we can share to your friends too. And not only this, there is also solo contest, one versus one showdown in the prize, as well as there is also pick an AI master. There are also available, they're different. What you want to try you can also choose, so that you will be qualified for the reward. Like asset, in future there is 20 USDT and total future trade volume, each showdown $1,000, and there will be 5 points for each one mystery box. We can also try, here is also, but we have to choose here what are the next. There is also character with AI master we are going to choose, as we are also going to choose King Elon Musk. We have to click on the challenge, and next we can also check select it around here. Join this one versus one showdown where prize pool is near to 1 million in trial. AI Master event is up to 3 million. Whether interacting with Master or participating PK matches, please. There you can also get favorable options. Like if we choose here Rocket all in one and click on the next option, then there is also challenge for 30, 60 or 240 minute. We can choose for 30 minute and click on the show start showdown. And next we will also get that future trading volume, each showdown is recording here. So let's get started. Here is also our challenge has been now done, and being processed here. What the answer will be shown to us, I'll show you. Challenge has been started, and there is also time. You can even get a complete information about it, how much time is remaining. How there you can also check the prize pool with the solo contest, and 25 minutes later the result will be announced. If you want to start your, here is also 0.03% our master AI RO. Basically, Master AI is going to trade automatically. You can even check out, there is also reward for the short, for the long. There is also for 30 minutes. What will be our benefit? You can even check out 0.04%. So in this way, we have to come into one versus one showdown where Bing X AI Master is also going to giving you this opportunity on your mobile app. So basically you are also going to join this strategy one versus one showdown where your trade is also going to show you a complete details about it. Need here result. What is the deep thing about analysis? You can refresh that, and there you can also get after 6 minutes, as there is also a time of 30 minutes. We are also going to getting the update what is the benefit we have got for now, and what will be our reward there will be also declared here. So we are also going to share each and everything here. You just need to watch about it. 5 to 10 minutes later, I will show you the result later about that. What is the result? And there you can also check for now. 23 minutes later, I'll show you at the end what is the end result. Guys, in this way you can check out here is the past means we have got the return 0.01%. Yes, this is the often here one versus one where you can also challenge to claim the reward and point. We have already used different character in this, and one versus one we need here, and we can also check there is also a point. We have to click on it, and there will be also started, and now you can even check out the time has been started for 30 minutes, and there will be also percentage return on investment, and there you can even get how it works. If you want to know more details how there is also zero is going to convert into next, and we will also get reward, you can also get AI deep analysis too with the percentage. So I hope you understand how does this work. So next you can also check that we have already got here reward, and there is also P2P trading. If you want to buy some dollars, there you can also buy sell easily in this exchange in your country. You can also select there is AI master, and you can also get a reward for copying this link, share to your friends. How about you will invite friends, you will also get the reward. New user reward, there is also Bing X AI master is here, so you can also get reward. You can start, and not only there is also a complete details. I hope you understand. You can also do your future trading here. How much you will start future trading, you will also get the reward. This is also a best option to you. And next you can also start your spot trading too. So next you can also get your asset details where you can take withdrawal, you can take deposit, transfer or convert everything. So I hope you have checked both copy trading, there is future trading, pre-market airdrops, and there is also many other, but you can also check event and a reward in this video, as there's Bing XEI. This is also have, you can also get Bing XAI. There is also many others here, and this is also your card option for now. And there is also showdown one versus one where you can get the challenges I have shown you, and there is also event is going on. You can also start challenge, and here we have already get the details of $1 million the prize pool. There is also 0.05 there we have started the challenge, and we got the result here with this time. You can also get that there is also deep analysis, like there 3 minutes and 58 seconds we have got the benefit lead to 0.05%. This is also showed down, and not only this, you can also get participate into the AI master feature where 5 AI master have been given. You can also inquire, you can also get APR on these platforms too. I hope you understand about it. If you want to join, you can also click on the inquire, and then you can also go for the option APR is here. like how you are also going to click on it. There you can put the number and then you can also confirm. So I hope you understand, and you can also talk to their team